Hi, and welcome to a short video that I put together for you to show you the Templates app within your OneLaunch software application. So we at the OneLaunch Technologies team are very aware at how often you use templates for different things in your day-to-day life. Templates can be used for things like resumes, for sending letters, for preparing budgets, for sending invoices to your clients, for creating presentations, and many, many more things. So we wanted to provide you with a very quick and convenient way to find templates for whatever your needs might be through the OneLaunch application experience. So first and foremost, where do you go to find the OneLaunch Templates app? Follow me to your OneLaunch dock and the gray plus button. Here opens up the OneLaunch Apps Marketplace. And then bottom left here is the Templates app, which by clicking on it, it will pin to your OneLaunch dock. Let's then actually click on the Templates app on the OneLaunch dock and we'll see it open up. So as you can see, we've already identified popular categories of templates, things like brochures, presentations, budgets, flyers, letters, invoices, resumes, and more. So you're able to simply click through on any of these categories and end up where you need to go for that particular type of template. But if there's not a category for something you need, feel free to just type in to the search box on the left and then click the blue search icon. So for example, I want to send my son a birthday card and maybe fill it out and print it out and send it to him or give it to him. I don't see a category here for cards, so I'm going to type in birthday card, and I'm going to click the blue search icon, and immediately it opens up with a whole ton of templates for birthday cards. So we're using templates.office.com as the website to provide you with thousands of free templates. You might find that some of them are premium, some of them will be paid, but there's a ton that are absolutely free. So for example, maybe I like this happy birthday card with balloons. It's a quarter fold. You can click on that and then immediately you're able to click download to bring it to your PC. So I don't have time to open up each of the downloads, but that's how you do it. And if we go back to the template app, you can see that same sort of behavior as you click on these links to open up the specific section on templates.office.com here for resumes and cover letters, as that's the category I just clicked. And again, I might want a traditional design resume template. Click on it. Again, this is absolutely free, and I click download and you see it starting to download to my computer. I think the last thing that I want to tell you is if you're not just getting a template for a one-off occurrence, if it's something that you know that you're going to use this template again and again and again, of course you can save it on your desktop, but if you want different versions of that particular template, you might want to just pin that category to your dock. So if you're always sending invoices because you have a business and lots of clients and you have to send them invoices monthly, you might want to pin invoices to your OneLaunch dock. And then from that point on, you don't have to go through the Templates app because you know it's just invoices that you need. Simply click invoices, and again, that will open up the correct location on templates.office.com. And yeah, maybe I like the timeless design for Invoice. And again, you're able to download or open in browser. So very, very handy Templates app to get you quickly to the template that you need for whatever it might be that you need to do that day on your computer. I hope you really enjoy the Templates app. I hope it's intuitive. If you have any questions on it, please feel free to reach out to us at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks and have a great day.